needed to get some gas, so we just pulled over. The McMuffins are in. I was just showing her what we were going to be eating. And we are about to be off for another exciting adventure. Hello, adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Riley's back again.
Yeah.
What did you bring?
Brown sugar milk tea latte.
Ooh, so we're having breakfast this morning. Breakfast. You're supposed to shake these. Shake what your mama gave ya. Shake what your mama gave ya. Okay, Riley, speaking of which, before you leave, what's our song of the day? She doesn't know.
Why do you always put this on me?
Because I choose it every other day of the year.
Yeah, but I'm not good at the music thing.
Come on, Riley.
Something with shake it.
Shake it
I
off.
like that
No, you shaked it off before.
what about that Shakira song?
The hips don't lie?
No, the other one. Doesn't she have like a shaking one?
I don't know.
All right.
Shake, 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 shake your booty. Shake your booty is going to be our song because lack of other songs today. But with that said, we are about to head out to Lake Havasu today. We are going to be meeting up with some friends, and I'm so excited to take you guys along. I'm going to get this thing open, and then we're hitting the road. Okay, now it's go time. I got to buckle up. I've already got the map pulled up. It says that we're about 154 miles away from our location. Transformers, let's roll out! Okay, I said we were going to get out of here fast, but apparently there is gridlock on this highway, basically. Okay, we can find a good place to pull off, and I can give you your McMuffin thoughts.
Okay, let me figure out a good place to pull over.
Okay, Riley found us a spot, but decided not to. Okay, so that's a no. So the shoulders through here are pretty narrow. So unless we absolutely have to pull off on a shoulder, I don't want to. Okay, we got to a section that it didn't just drop off and we were able to pull off. So now it's time to get Riley her McMuffin. I'm gonna roll down my window so I don't get locked out. Grabbing a McMuffin for Riley as I drop everything else. Ooh, that thing is hot, hot, hot. We're gonna set it right there. And then I'm gonna get mine out and set it up here too, so I can close this. Roadside food delivery. Roadside food delivery. Roadside food delivery. I'm bringing you some food.
She's bringing me food.
Brought you some food.
Ooh, it's nice and warm.
Yes. Okay, that thing is charging up now, and I'm going to take these and put them in the Road Pro and put it in storage. The Road Pro put back into place, and now it's time to go. Okay, I also just made a pretty convincing argument for why having your water jug fall on your foot is not great. The entire thing, whenever I was moving it around, decided to fall right on my foot. I'm okay though. But for now, it's McMuffin time. It's McMuffin time. I'm so excited. I made these before I left my base camp. They're just sausage, cheese, a little bit of sriracha, and then these nice English muffins. They're perfect in the Road Pro or the Hot Logic, either one. And we're about to have some food. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So yeah, now it's time, Transformers, are you ready to roll out?
Roll out.
Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna go meet some friends in just a few minutes, but first we have to do a little bit of work, because you know, work. The good thing is, with all of my fetch scans, I have some free coffee ahead, so this will be a good work day. I need to download. Riley has to finish editing a video, and I think I'm gonna schedule a few things and maybe work on a video myself, so I can get a little bit more ahead so I can just relax this weekend and hang out and enjoy all the company of our friends. But first, let's see if the van got tossed again. Okay, the only thing that really moved was this and then this. That's just gonna have to be okay. It's fine. Meanwhile, got all the way charged up here, and we got 98% on this one, so that's pretty good. I'll get that one topped off the rest of the way before this evening. Riley. Guess what?
What?
We're here. Pistachio cream cold brew. What? We're all set up. It's gonna be a good little work day. Okay, we finished up. They closed at 6:30 here, so we worked until they closed. And now we have to do one more stop at the Dollar Tree. Oh, Riley's still not finished with her video, but I was able to get a couple done. So hers is just a little bit more difficult with what she's trying to piece together, so it totally makes sense. Anyway, I've got to get a couple things. Last night, I apparently bit the side of my mouth, and in doing so, I think I'm getting like a cold sore, canker sore thing. So I want to stop that real quick because that's going to interrupt my fun. So we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree and see what they got. Also, everyone at this Starbucks right here was so cool. They were so nice and they were really friendly. So if you're in Lake Havasu, come and check them out and get a good coffee or something. Yeah, it's a great place to office, but also a great place to get your coffee on. After all, I really enjoyed the cold brew that I had with pistachio foam. It was delightful. I thought Riley was behind me, but she's not. So she'll be over here in a minute. Oopsies. She found me! Okay, we made it, and I don't know how long they're open, so we're gonna go inside real quick and get our stuff. I'm gonna make sure I have locked the van. And now we're off. It's the best time of the year. It's the best time of the year. It's bunny season. Oh my goodness. What do I need? I have something like that already. They have a blanket. They have a blanket. Maybe I need a blanket. I really want this. Okay, is this completely ridiculous? Yes, it is, but I am getting it because this is so cute, and I'm going to try to justify in my mind one of these two for something that I have planned way in the future, but this for sure is coming with me. Look at that, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, so many bunnies. Oh my gosh. If I wasn't in the van, I would grab this at least because it's cute. Possibly this because look at that attitude. Ooh. And then these others are cute, but they're very Easter looking. But this is so fun. Like, that's me. Okay, we're also gonna see if there's anything that we need here. Need meaning, you know, possibly. Okay, these are actually really good in the air fryer. I don't know what we're doing for dinner yet. Let's ask Riley. Riley.
Yes.
What are we doing for dinner?
I don't know. I like these fruit cups.
Ooh, fruit cups. I mean, those do look good.
Delightful.
Okay, so we need to figure out dinner too. I don't know what our friends are doing, but I'm pretty sure we have to take care of our own dinner. So let's see if there's anything that we're interested in. Oh my gosh, I love these. These little Jamaican style pies. These are so good.
I've never had those.
They're so good. Okay, where's the stuff that might help my mouth? Okay, success. We were able to get a few things that we actually needed. And then a few things for a few special things. And of course I got the bunny blanket. It was $5. I haven't found one of those. It's so cute. Tyson, are you having a good day? You came into Starbucks for a few minutes in your little carrier. And now you're hanging out in a parking lot of a Dollar Tree. And your mom is doing the mom thing. And now we got to figure out where we're going next. Do you know where we're going next, Tyson? No, neither one of us.
He's like, I'm just vibing.
Do you want to go see some of our friends, Tyson?
Yeah.
Let's go find our friends. Okay, we made it. Now, last night we drove about 2.5 miles from that Dollar Tree and we made it to where I am currently sitting. And I'm going to show you where that is exactly with like the context of the event in a future video, but oh my goodness, I am so excited. Last night we just sat around a fire with our friends. I have not seen Ernie and Brandy and Charles and Tony since the summer, and I hadn't seen Collie and Anthony since Vanmas, and they're all here. Now I do believe, oh goodness, I believe some other people are going to be here as well, and I'm not exactly sure what that's going to look like. So over the next couple days, I guess we'll find out. But it was absolutely amazing, and I slept so cozy in the van. So now I guess we're off to our next set of who knows what. I don't know what this is going to look like, but it's definitely going to be fun. Remember guys, we're not here for a long time, but we are here for a good time. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.